takes a lot of courage to reveal your true self to the world. There was once a time when it was taboo to be gay or lesbian, or even anything different from the normal. Fortunately, we now live at a time where people can express their true self and live their life in their true identity. Being trans is no longer seen as a disorder, but as freedom of self-expression. And with this, we have seen many once scared individuals come out to the world as their real self. From gays, lesbians, bi, transgender, trans-aged, and most recently, trans species. And with this, it has finally given me the courage to finally announce to the world the real me. I am an elephant.
I was about 8 years old when I first realised I was different to the other kids. I looked in the mirror and all I saw was big ears and long trunk. I always thought it was weird that while at school I just wanted to walk around in circles while holding hands with someone in front of me. While kids were allergic to nuts, I couldn't get enough of them. I would eat and eat and eat, nut after nut after nut. By the age of 15, I would sit in my room and act like a statue of an elephant. I had posters from circuses all around the world with elephants performing their tricks. I always thought I loved the circus, but what it was I just wanted to be an elephant. That was me. I was the elephant. I was in the circus. This is me. I am an elephant.